What is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kathy M, and in today's video we are going to be reviewing the Pure Clean Robot Vac. I got this vacuum for my mom back in November of 2018, so it's been about 2.5 years that we've had this vacuum, and so I figured why not review it for you and let you guys know what I think. And from right off the bat, if we're being really honest, it kind of sucks, but let me tell you why we still kind of have it around. So this vacuum, I got it off of Amazon. It was pretty affordable for a robot vac because I've seen some, $500, $600, $700. They come with all the bells and whistles where you can program them and stuff, but I wasn't looking to spend like that kind of money on a robot vac when we've never had one before. So I got this one, the Pure Clean. At the time, I think it had like a 4-star rating and it was about like $80. So I figured let's give it a try. I actually just looked it up again on Amazon because I wanted to see if like the price changed or the rating changed, and I think it's like $78 now, and the rating is like 3.5 stars. So it's rated fairly average, but let me tell you what you get. So I will say for the price, like you're probably getting what you pay for. So let's give it that. You're not paying $800 for a circular robot vacuum, so of course you're not going to get to program it on your phone. So this is the Pure Clean robot. I actually had it charging because the charge only lasts like maybe an hour. So it just plugs into the wall here. It has a charging cord and you just plug it right in here. There you go. And you can see it turns red and then it'll start blinking and it'll turn green when it is done being charged. So it's not done being charged. So I'm gonna leave it plugged in for right now while I talk through it, and then I'll kind of give you a little bit of a demo of, what it does. So this is it. And then you open it here. This is where the filter is. So I'm gonna clear it out, which actually it needs to be emptied. So great timing for you guys. And you can buy more of these on Amazon. So it says clean before starting the cleaner. And again, we do still use it. So I said it sucks, but it still serves its purpose. And there we go. So you can see that is what it collects. It has a pretty good size collection tube thing, and you can see all of our hair in it. So I'm gonna go empty this out real quick. And I'm curious, do you guys name your robot vacuums? I heard that it's a thing to name the robot vacuums. So the girls and my mom named our robot Bobby, and it's really kind of funny because then the girls talk about Bobby like, Bobby's got a vacuum, and so it sounds weird, like they're talking about like a person. But anywho, okay, you just pop the filter thing back on, which we're probably due for a new one, so I gotta order some. And then you pop the cap back on, and you're just gonna stick it back on in there and close it up. And then on the back, these are the brushes. Again, it comes with another set of brushes, but these are the ones that come with it. And you can see it's done a great job at collecting the girls in my hair. So it's actually super easy to pop them out. And I probably have to do this either once a week or every other week. And then look at that. Well, that's a weed, but the rest of this is all hair, like the girls in my hair. So I'm gonna, while I have you guys here, I will share with you guys the pleasure of unhairing this with me. I feel like I should be playing some Jeopardy music. Okay, so this is what the clean brush looks like, and this is the wad of hair that came out of Bobby. And I'm just gonna do the other one as well. Getting like a 2-for-1 special, how to take care of the machine and a review of it. So there you go. There's the second wad of hair. So two big old wads of hair, but easy to clean. With this basic model, it is not programmable on your phone. It changes directions anytime it hits anything. So it follows no pattern whatsoever. It literally just roams aimlessly around my house. We do have to close all of the doors. It does not do well on carpet. So all the bedroom doors are closed so that it doesn't go in there because it'll get stuck. I try to put it in my kitchen so that it kind of bounces around in my kitchen and cleaning up the crumbs there. But inevitably it roams over here to my living room and gets caught on the rug. So then we have to go, it kind of starts making a noise. So the girls or I will go pick it up. Usually the girls like to grab it and put him back in the kitchen so he can continue to roam around there. So he doesn't like carpet, doesn't like rugs, and then he lasts, it says it has an hour battery, but I'll say he lasts probably a good 30 minutes is his max time to continue cleaning. And that's about it. Oh, and then to start and stop it, you just push this red button. So let's see if he has enough juice to at least show you what he's capable of. I am eyeballing some crumbs that I have here in the kitchen. This is my kitchen floor. You can see some crumbs there and over here. So I am going to put Bobby down. I'm gonna push the button, see if he has enough juice to turn on. There we go. And away he goes. He missed these crumbs. Maybe I didn't back him up enough. See if he grabs those over there. And he's off to the, oh, he also doesn't really like my kitchen mat either. So we did get those crumbs that were over there in the corner. Now he's coming back this way. There he goes, off to the living room. I told you guys, he loves the living room. And there you guys have it. Bobby, our randomly roaming robot vacuum who roams aimlessly around the house collecting hair, crumbs, and probably grass from the outside. Let me know if you guys have your own robot vacuum, and if you do, which one do you have? Did you guys spring for the fancy one, or did you get a more affordable robot vacuum? Let me know down in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up if you like review videos, and I will catch you all in the next one. Bye guys!